Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most of people solve this question like 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Then again 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Now 1 multiply 1 is equal to also 1. Okay, but this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Now according to order of operation, let's solve this problem correctly. Okay, by using a PEMDAS rule. So PEMDAS, P means first priority is parenthesis, E means second priority is exponents, M means third priority is multiplication and division, A means addition and S means subtraction. Okay, multiplication and division both have equal priority, and also addition and subtraction both have equal priority. Okay, is equal to 2 minus first priority is in this question is multiplication. So 1 multiplied 2 is equal to 2 minus 1. Now here is a one subscription and here is one subscription. Both have equal priority, therefore we have to solve it from left to right. Okay. So 2 minus 2 is equal to 0 minus 1. Now 0 minus 1 is equal to minus 1. So the correct answer is minus 1. Okay. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching the video.